Hello, this video demonstration is going to focus on creating custom progress reports. There is a video that shows how to use the weekly math report and a video that shows how to use the weekly all subject report, each of which is a pre-built custom progress report. So you can customize either of those reports using this tool as well. So we'll start by looking at our home page. And in order to get to our reports, we need to go to the report icon. We can left click on the report icon to open the report table, or we can go to the report icon and click off of the drop down menu. I'll pick progress report off the drop down menu. And we're going to create a custom progress report in this demonstration. So noting that in all math classes by default, you have a weekly math report. And in all subjects, if you're an elementary school teacher, you have a multiple subject assignment, you always have the all subject report. Either of those reports can be customized, or you can create a brand new report from scratch. So for example, let's say I wanted to create a missing assignment report. Then I can go here to the bottom section of this report tool on the left shows the subjects that I have that I can report on. And the blue checkbox indicates that I'm actually reporting on that subject. So if I look at my all subject report, all of these are active. If I go back to my math class and look at my math weekly report, you'll see only the math subject is active. So I want to create a custom report, and in this case, I'm going to make it a custom report to report on all missing assignments for all subjects. Okay, so starting from scratch, I don't have anything being selected for any subject. The red X means nothing's being reported on. I can go ahead and select missing assignments for homework and classwork, and I'll do that for all these subjects, and that just says that that's what I want to report on. I want to get all of my missing assignments for homework and classwork for writing, all of my missing assignments for homework and classwork for math, and all of my missing assignments for homework and classwork for science. Once I've done that, I can run the report right now if I want to, or I can save the report, give it a name, and that means I can reuse it whenever I want to without having to make all these selections. One trick though before you run a report is you have to have at least one student selected, and I'm just going to select one, and the reason for that is when you run this report, it creates a PDF for each student, and creating PDFs takes time. So as you're playing with this reporting tool, I recommend that you just pick one or two students so that you can see the output as you're making changes. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Save Report As button, and I'll just call this Missing Assignments Report, and I'll press Save, and this will generate a report for my one student. And this student doesn't have any missing assignments, so we don't see much. What we do see is, by default, every subject that I've decided to include in my report does give you the header information. It gives you the subject, grade, and the breakdown of each of the categories that you have for each subject. Now what I can do is add a few students and report on those, and hopefully in my demonstration site I'll have a few missing assignments that we can look at. This takes a moment to generate. And again, this left panel is just for navigation. If you're not finding this helpful, or if you want to see your whole report, you can simply use this left arrow to close that down, and you can use this little ribbon to open that back up. Okay, so in this case, I can see that Zoe is missing a math assignment. My next student, let's see, no assignments missing for Dennis. Maxim is not missing anything. Here's a reading assignment, missing reading assignment. And let's see. And here's a missing writing assignment. So all of the missing assignments will show up. And the way this report is designed is you can see up to, I think, 20 or 30 different missing assignments from all of your subjects above. If you want to see more than those 20 or 30, then you might have to use more than one page. And so there's a setting over here that allows you to use as many pages as needed. Most teachers have said they want to limit student reporting to a single page, so we've made that the default. If this box is checked, each student will only get one page. If you uncheck this box, then the system will print as many pages as are needed to give all of the information you've requested for each student. Okay, so I'll leave that checked. The other thing you want to be aware of is that you can come down here and add a comment. Just like our weekly report and our for math and our weekly report for all subjects, you can add a comment and it will go to all students. When you save that comment, it regenerates the PDF and you will see the comment underneath in the comment field. Okay. The other thing to be aware of when you're dealing with custom reports is that you can take an existing report and customize or change it. You can do that by using the Save As button. So if I wanted to change missing assignments report, for example, to be just missing assignments, let's say for a single subject, I could get rid of all of my missing assignments for everything except for, say, mathematics. And then I can go here to Save As and call this missing assignment report for math or missing math assignments. You can also update an existing report. So if missing assignments report wasn't quite what you wanted, you can use this checkbox before you submit, and it will update the report that you've created, your default report, and these new settings will be part of that. Okay, so you can basically change the report by using this update setting. So I'll use that just for fun. When I hit submit, that's going to basically take my missing assignment report and make it a missing math assignment report. Notice all of my subjects over here are not selected and math is selected. If I click out to the weekly math report and then I come back to the missing assignment report, it is now it's taken on those changes that I applied most recently. So if I want to go back to make this truly a missing assignment report, I can update this by including all of the missing assignments from all of the subjects. Again, I use this box before I hit submit, and this will take my the criteria for my missing assignment report back to to include all subjects. Basically, in a nutshell, you can control everything that you see in this report by using these subject windows, and you can save new reports, so you can have as many custom reports as you want to save, and you can create reports that you don't want to save, you want to run a single time. I hope you found this helpful. Have a nice day. Thank you.